Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the CNCT dual monitor desk mount. So this is a solution which is useful for people who are having a dual monitor setup, wherein you can hook your monitors to this stand, and this holds onto your table. So it provides a lot of adjustments. So it allows you to swivel 90 degrees in and out. It allows you to rotate the monitor and has quite a good amount of flexibility in which way you can adjust your monitors. This makes a very important thing whenever you are having dual monitors, because sometimes you want to cave the monitors in and sometimes you want to keep the monitors out. I searched a lot for it, and I was about to order it from Amazon.com from US, but I looked at Amazon.in and found this CNCT company is giving this mount at a good price. So the price I paid for this is around $60, around 3,000 rupees. And I have never heard of this CNCT company before, but on Amazon.in they had good reviews about it, and I thought, let me try it out. And this fits most of the 13 to 27 inch monitors, and this is a visa compliant. So basically it what it says is that it can hold any visa compliant monitors which are having 75 to 75 mm or 100 into 100 mm compliant ones. So before buying this mount, please check what is the compliance of your monitors, because mine LG monitors that I had were visa 75 into 75 compliant. So I'll leave a link to the Amazon.in website where I bought this thing, and let's quickly open this now and see what comes in the box. So as you open the box, so you see this is the arm, which is quite heavy. So this is the arm which holds the monitors, and if you look at here, this is the holes for 75 mm mount, and these are the holes for your 100 mm mounts. So that gives two options, 75 mm and the 100 mm. And this thing, as you can see, it can swivel anywhere around. You can swivel the monitors inside, outside, and all these things you can swivel the monitor. So let's keep the stand aside now. Let's see what else comes in the package. So you get this arm, I think so. Yes, this is fully all aluminum construction. That's the advantage with this stand, and that's why I wanted to buy this stand. So this is fully aluminum construction, and it feels very, very solid. Let's keep that aside. Now this should be the base unit, I think so. Yeah, this is the base unit. So this is what attaches to your desk. You just unscrew this, put it on your desk, and then just screw it back. So this is what is the base which attaches to your desk. And these are the accessory box, I think so. Let's keep this box aside now. So these are the accessories box. So this is the base support one, and yes, these are the screws. So you have the Allen key and the screws for the VESA mount, to which you are mounting your monitor. And what else? Yeah, and this is the holding for the tube which we got before. This is the holding cup for it. So let's just look at all the things that comes with it. So this one goes into this monitor arm, and then this monitor arm rests on this base, and the monitors rest on this stand. So what I'll do is quickly I will just assemble this whole unit, and then I'll hook up my monitors to it, and then we will see how this holds the monitors. Back, I have installed the monitor mount, and it took quite some time. I mean, it was heavy, and it almost took 2.5 hours to fix it. The instructions are easy, so it's not very difficult to fix it. Once I fix it, I have installed both my monitors, as you can see, and you can see here that I almost have no bezel difference. So this mount is very good. I have a seamless no workspace that I can work on. And if you see, the mount itself provides a lot of hinges, as I said to you. So let me show you some of the angles that I can move my monitor. So I can move my monitor a little bit front, so I can get this monitor front. I can move it backside, so it goes backside. I can also move this monitor backside. I can create this kind of a gap or a difference, or if I want to have more focus on one of the monitors, I can bring it to the front, and then the other monitor stays at the back, which can have any background work. And also what I can do is I can fully send it to the backside, so that means now it is fully flush to the wall. So if you want to create a distance, so you can also push it backside. So now we can have a seamless interface between these two monitors. And you can also tilt it, so you can, in case you want to have a tilt, you can tilt your monitors like this, wherein you have that during the gaming you can have that experience of having a surround gaming. So you can also tilt your monitors, and there is some kind of some reach also, so you could move it up and down. So you can get it up, so you see you can move your monitor up, so you can have a surface moving up if you want to move your monitor, and it does 45 degrees. So if you see, you can really move it up this much. This is the reach of the monitor which can come up, and this it goes back, holding backside, and this also goes backside, so you can actually move it back. So it's quite sturdy. I have been using it since last 12 hours or something. It's quite sturdy, and I don't have any problems with the quality, and I have full confidence that it can hold up the monitors. So let's also look at how I have mounted the mount at the back side, so that we have an idea how the mount goes in the back. Now if you see backside of the monitors, this is how I have mounted the monitors. This is the monitor stand which sits flush to the table, and it has these two arms which are flexible enough. And if you see here, you can find the VESA mount which I have mounted at the back of my monitor. This is the VESA mount that I have fitted the back of my monitor, and it has a really very good hold. So for both monitors I have had this VESA mount mounted on, and you can see there is some part of the cable management which I have done at the back side. These are the grommets which give you the cable management, so you can route your cables through these cable management router. And you can see the arm is like really strong. Don't have any doubts on the quality itself. The quality of the mount is really very good, and it is a really very good mount. So as you can see, the mount is like really very sturdy and very strong, and it has multiple swinging arms and all. Overall, I am really very happy with the quality of the mount itself, though it was from a company CNCT, which I don't have much idea about. I have not heard them much in here in India, but really they have made a very good product, and I would say it's very good mount for it. For the cost that we are asking for, it's around $60, and for that price I would say it's a really very good mount. I mean, I can definitely guarantee you, I don't have any doubts that this has a very sturdy hold for my monitors, and at no point of time I was doubtful that this mount may not hold my monitor, or it is not working as specified. So I have used this mount for around last 3-4 days, and in that time I have tried every single angle to position my monitor, and it's really worked well. So thanks very much for watching the video. This is my review of the CNCT desk mount for dual monitor setup, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you dislike the video, please let me know in the comments below so that I can improve my further videos. Thanks, and see you in the next video.